India's contribution in emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are recent advances in the utilization of technological progress for the potential benefit of a larger population. All advances in knowledge may not be commercially viable and may only serve to explore the current limits of science and technology. Emerging technologies include new inventions and discoveries like 5G connectivity for mobile phones, ability to actually utilize known potential applications, example CRISPR in gene therapy, repurposing of known technologies for newer applications, example drones. India is undoubtedly a leading candidate for marketing emerging technologies. India is also a potential developer. It can harness its relatively young and increasingly better educated population, which can understand and speak English better than its rivals, to leverage technology. However, India spends just 0.65% of its GDP in research and development. This is evident from the fact that startups which thrive on deploying emerging technologies are not as successful in India as they are in the United States, Europe, etc. Research at academic institutions focuses on identifying and developing emerging technologies, while commercial R&D centers focus on methods to make this technology commercially available and viable. India has understood the potential of harnessing technologies in a timely and efficient manner and now ranks 48th on the Global Innovation Index. Research is being encouraged and policies tuned to futuristic advantages. Some of the initiatives are: National Supercomputing Mission was started in 2015 and aims to install 73 supercomputers throughout the country. This three-phased 4,500 crore rupees project will form the backbone of the National Knowledge Network (NKK) and harnesses high-performance computing for artificial intelligence. National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Applications is a 1.1 billion rupees project initiated in 2020 to develop quantum materials, devices, sensors, and computing applications. Quantum mechanics have wide-ranging applications from better computing to encryption, manufacturing, designing, etc. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has established dedicated laboratories to study fields that have a potential for application in defense. These include cognitive technologies, asymmetric technologies, and smart materials apart from artificial intelligence and quantum technologies elucidated above. A new Emerging and Strategic Technologies (NEST) division was created under the Ministry of External Affairs recently. This division deals with foreign policy and legal aspects, including international intellectual property rights of new and emerging technologies. They also enable Indian representation in global technology governance platforms. In effect, therefore, the government, scientific bodies, and private players have a recognizable state in utilization and commercialization of emerging technologies. They work together on various platforms and enable a healthy private-public partnership to harness these advances. Current areas of exploration where emerging technology has a major role for India include artificial intelligence and machine learning. Computers can churn large volumes of data to identify patterns and predict future possibilities. Based on these predictions, the machine learns almost like a human and changes its predicted outcomes to suit the circumstances. This had wide-ranging commercial applications like identifying shopping patterns, smart cars, predicting pandemic patterns, and developing smart digital assistants. Automating business processes. This involves automating not just repetitive tasks but also interacting with environmental inputs and taking smart decisions. Hence, we can hope for a paperless back office, virtual agents for self-service, document processing, etc. Internet of Things (IoT). Physical devices can have internet connectivity built into them, which allows them to be programmed and manipulated manually through the internet or through other programs. For example, most new cars in India are connected to the internet with an embedded SIM card. This allows tracking of driving habits, fuel consumption, and emergency SOS in case of an accident or breakdown. Blockchain. This is a method of tracking and preventing alteration to digital data. A record of transactions is distributed across the internet and cannot be altered. This technology of distributing financial ledgers into interconnected blocks of data forms the basis of virtual currency like Bitcoin. The same technology is used to secure Aadhaar data, which is the world's largest collection of private information. Internet of Behaviors (IoB). IoB utilizes data collected from various sources like facial recognition, location data, big data, etc., to predict consumer behavior. Potential non-commercial uses include tracking lawbreakers and identifying psychopathic behavior. 5G communication. 5G technology for wireless communication is expected to go online in 2021 in India too. This will provide reliable and high-speed data connection. 4D printing. This technology adds the fourth dimension of time to conventional 3D printing. Using advanced materials, it is possible to permit the printed material to react in time with materials like water, exposure to sunlight, etc. Hence, roads subjected to high temperatures can realign at a molecular level to maintain their resilience. Similarly, pipelines can be made with such materials so that they self-seal in case of leaks. Visual reality or augmented reality, VR or AR. This technology provides an enhanced visual and sensory experience using 3D imagery and other augmentations. Some movie halls allow a perception of 3D projection with tilting seats to augment reality. While video games are centered around this emerging technology, there are many more potential applications. These include enhanced customer experience, training employees, anatomy teaching aids, etc. Healthcare delivery. Healthcare in India has consistently failed to reach remotely located or underprivileged citizens. COVID-19 pandemic was not just an eye-opener, it was also an opportunity to understand the impact information technology can have in providing healthcare over the internet. A combination of electronic health records, blockchain for privacy, patient-facing apps for scheduling, consulting, and advising is the next emerging technology that will drive healthcare. Impediments to the process include costs, absence of a medical information regulatory body, and lack of cooperating among stakeholders. Healthcare devices. 3D printing of bone models, robotic surgery, and advanced diagnostic imaging are already available in India. CRISPR is a gene editing technology that can cut out unwanted or defective segments of DNA. Precision medicine identifies unique genetic makeup of the tumors and permits specific treatment for a given patient. Defense and security. This is a technology-driven area where advances are of strategic importance. Many potential opportunities to leverage technology exist. BrahMos is an India-Soviet enterprise that has produced some of the world's fastest stealth missiles that are almost impossible to intercept. India is already a recognized force in the field of rocket propulsion and ability to launch satellites for friendly nations. Drones are utilized for defense, in surveillance, and offensive roles. Peacetime uses include monitoring inaccessible areas, especially during natural or other disasters. They are also used to monitor wildlife, agriculture, observe natural phenomena, and for search and rescue. Drones are now being repurposed for delivery of medicines and other goods, including online shopping. Emerging technologies are advances or repurposing of technology for the benefit of mankind. India is emerging as a major world power that has the potential to develop and harness such technologies. Changes in policy making and increased funding are driving research in both government and non-government laboratories.